Good evening all, my name is Daniel Velosa and I'm going to try to explain the different places in my neighborhood. And I live in Bogota. The name of my neighborhood is Prado Veraniego. It's very close to the North Freeway and the 127th Street. And there are different places and it's very interesting. For example, you can find churches, parks, and there is a hospital, and there are two malls, and there is a Colpatros Business Center. You can see different places in this picture. I took this picture from Google Maps, and in this part you can see the first one mall. It's Nissan. In this part is Unicentro, and there are two parks is in this place. How it's close to here, and you can find also lots of supermarkets. The most popular here is De Uno. It's the most popular markets here, and there are other places very interesting like Home Century or different malls. And in the next picture you can see, for example, the Hospital Sanitas. It's close to here, and I think it's the most important places. It's a great place to live, but there aren't enough parks. I think so. I think it's all. It's all to describe my neighborhood. Thank you for watching.